Now the next we are going to look at is the tie. The tie is denoted as T, capital T. Is given by actual tie. Now actual tie, we are representing it with AT. That's A actual, T tie. It will not be actual tie divided by 2 plus 0. Plus 0 means we are not adding any other inch after dividing the actual tie divided by 2. Example: if the actual tie of the client to measure is 25, that's actual tie now. So when you are cutting, the tie you are going to use, T, is equals to 25 divided by 2 plus 0. Therefore it means tie that you are using will now be 25 divided by 2, which is 12.5 or 12 and a half, as the case might be. So this is the tie you are going to use. So the next we are going to look at is the bottom. The bottom is the bottom. That's number 3. Bottom or hip, as the case might be. It is sometimes called hip, sometimes called bottom. So let's use, for the sake of this class, we are calling it bottom. Even some call it seat. So just understand that we are talking about the same thing. So it's denoted as B. Is given by actual bottom, which is AB. Actual bottom divided by 4 plus 2 inches. Plus 2 inches. For example, if the actual bottom of the client you measure is 42, when you are now taking the measurement when cutting, you are going to use, okay, this 42 now is actual bottom. So the bottom you will now use will now be this 42 divided by 4 plus 2 inches. Okay, which is bottom equals to 42 divided by 4. That's 10.5 plus 2 inch. Therefore the bottom we are using will now be 12.5 inches. So that's for the bottom. The next we have is the tie. So that's number 4. Sorry, the knee. That's what I mean to say. We have done the tie before. The next, which is number 4, is the knee. Denoted as KN, so that you understand it. KN, which is equals to, is given by actual knee divided by 2 plus 0. So if, for example, if the actual knee measurement of the client you measured is 16, for instance, the knee you are going to now use when cutting will now be 16 divided by 2 plus 0. So knee will now be 8 plus 0, which is still equals to 8 inches. So this is the knee you are using. So the next we have is the ankle. The next we have, which is number 5, is the ankle. is the ankle. That's the down part of the trouser, okay, which is denoted by AN.